make this the home base. Ooh, soft. Oh, I'm getting bit. Oh, it came off. Oh, it's definitely a bluegill, I think. I got bit though. That was a terrible cast. It's a pretty small bait I got on too. It's a pretty small bait I have. No. Damn it. Oh. Dude, it snapped. Barely even pulled it. Must have already been frayed. Probably was already frayed from us catching fish. Because we never retie.
Yeah.
What fun is that?
It's that big one to break us off so you can say, that was a 10-pounder.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
I just moved this rock and this big old crawfish down.
Oh, really?
That's why I thought it was the top. There's always lots of crawfish here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Little bass? Oh, he came off? The bold bluegill.
I thought it was stuck and I gripped it.
So was it a largemouth?
Yeah. A little though.
Oh, guess I'll stay by you. Yeah, I just got bit right on the shore.
Yeah. That's where I got bit too.
Like 2 feet from the bank. I could almost see my lure. Little lodgy.
That's like cookie cutter to what I caught right there.
You went deep, buddy. Sorry. Little stub nose largemouth. Nah, no. Might have to walk past it. Get it?
Hopefully.
Crazy. Maybe we should try a different spot.
Huh?
Try a different spot.
I mean, I think if we do, we should go over.
Parking lot.
Yeah.
Okay. I think so too. You can go out on that one point pretty far too.
Yeah.
Or we could go down by the dock or even in the back of that cove. All right, one more cast. I'm gonna try to go far. This looks interesting. Just figured start right here. I just saw a fish swipe at my bait. Oh, there's a fish right there. Staring at it. Little fish. Ah, it's like a little bluegill or something. Stick. Got the stick fish.
Feels like I'm always on the hook then. Every time I get stuck.
Oh, I got. Oh, came off. What? That felt like a fish. Oh, shit.
So much line on it. Look at that.
Oh my
You
gosh.
wanna wait if you want to wait.
Oh, yeah. Drop shot weight?
No.
Oh, shit. I just got snagged too. I'm really stuck. Wow. Might need that weight. Oh, okay. Well, there goes that. Oh, man. I'm losing a lot of leader. Mother F. Maybe a Ned rig would be good, but I'm gonna try this first. Little wacky Jackie.
Nope.
Came off.
Small.
Yeah. Oh no. Dude. Talk about snag fest. Oh, that sucks. Got my shoe all muddy. Did you get him?
Yeah.
A little better one.
It is bigger. Small now.
No, that's a largemouth. Yep.
Oh, beautiful.
It's a largie. Good job, babe.
He's got a nose ring. Oh wait, I might be able to get it.
I got him right here. Here, you'll probably need it when you get to the barb.
There we go.
Can't let it drop. Good work. Nice. Oh, it's a gill. Sunfish. Or bluegill, really. It's a slab. That's a fat one. Pretty. Got him good. Oh, mother flucker. My spinner bait. That really sucks balls. How do you get a spinner bait stuck? Oh, I got it. Lucky. Yeah, Better just stop before I lose it. What the dude, my shoe just broke.
Broke?
I don't think it broke, it just popped out, which is weird. Yeah, it totally like popped out of the thing. I'm destroying these things. How did that come out? That is a tiny hole to come out of. What I can't get it back in. Wish I wouldn't have bought these. Yep. First cast. Now you're snagged. Yeah, it's probably a bad spot to drop shot. I'm just about done with this. Break.
Are you kidding me? Got it out and I got stuck. I started reeling it in and I got stuck again.
You have a heavy weight? I just got stuck too.